Dad started the company in 1966 with a partner, and they basically were a distributorship of Hannah. I started working when I was like 12, repairing hydraulic motors and pumps in the back room. And I remember the times when Dad would tell me to hide from the customers because he didn't want them knowing that I was 12 years old fixing their hydraulic motors and, you know, reclaim pumps and stuff like that. So I was kept in the back of the shop for a couple of years.
So we're here at PECO Car Wash Systems in Auburn Hills. We're at we have a 45,000 square foot facility here. So 40,000 of it is manufacturing. Being that we're in Detroit, home of the automakers. So we have some really kind of cool and unique tools at our fingertips.
I was kind of like forced into becoming the CEO, president of PECO within pretty much a week. My dad actually got terminal cancer and they gave him a month to live. And he was age 46 and he died at 46 a few months later. So I had to take over the business. It was stressful because, you know, you just lost your best friend and your father. But, you know, I had a good grasp, and it's a family business. So we had a lot of, being a family business, you could pull together as a family and really, hit home. Anything that moves, turns, or twists that we're going to make needs to have support, whether it's through a distributor network or it's in documentation. And I think we take everything from the nut, the bolt, it's right through the manuals to an online website that you can order every nut and bolt that's within that manual.
We're cell style when it comes to the assembly. Each one of these cells handles a particular portion of our product offering. This one here that we're in happens to be where all of the brushes get built. Any like top washer, side washer, wheel washer, basically any brush that's turning is getting built in here. One of the things that I think is kind of unique to us is we actually service one of the bigger markets in the nation in our backyard in metropolitan Detroit. We probably have more car washes per square mile than just about anybody else in the United States. And that's serviced out of this parts department.
Doing the support in Michigan really gets us what I call the heartbeat of how our equipment's performing, how our, just how it's, how we ship it, how it performs after the sale. It keeps us, sharp as far as being proud of, what we have accomplished. Is I can rest my head on my pillow every night. I try my hardest, and so does the whole PECO team here, supporting our customers, our distributors, and getting their money's worth.